Good morning, students. In carbon and its compounds chapter, we earlier discussed about saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons. Today we will study about what is homologous series. Students, we take example of like that methane. Means methane we can write a formula CH4. We know carbon valence is 4, so one carbon can attest 4 hydrogen. In this way, first compound, that is methane. If we want to next its series, then what we have to do? We have to remove this carbon and we attach another carbon. So 2 carbon. When 2 carbon, then its molecular formula is C2H6. When we add one more carbon, then its molecular formula is C3H8. We earlier discussed this. Their name, methane, ethane, propane. Students, we can observe in this molecular formula difference. If we observe first CH4 and C2H5, the difference is only CH2, 1 carbon, 2 hydrogen. If we observe in between C2H6, C3H8, then again also the difference is CH2. If next carbon C4, H10, there also a same difference. So what are the reason? These compounds we can represent by a general chemical formula. That general chemical formula we can write here CnH2n plus 2. In this way we can make a formula CnH2n plus 2. What is the N? N means number of carbon atom. Number of carbon atom. Number of carbon atom. If N is equal to 1, then it's CH4. If N is equal to 2, then C2H6. And 3, then C3H8. And further, you can write different types, its molecular formula. So this one is a homologous series. This series name is alkane. We can write its name is alkane. Alkane means a saturated hydrocarbon. Students, if you write further, if we can make double bond or triple bond also, then its molecular formula slightly different. What we have to make double bond? For making double bond, we have to remove any 2 hydrogen. Why? Because carbon valency 4 and it can make only multiple bond after I remove 2 hydrogen, and it can make like this. So, for making double bond, at least it's required 2 carbon atom. 2 carbon atom. And its molecular formula, how can we write? C2H4, first compound. So, this type compounds known as double bond, or we can say alkene. So, students, in alkene, what general chemical formula, what we have to change? We have to remove 2 hydrogen. So alkene general chemical formula, we can write CnH2n. Why? 2 hydrogen we remove from normal formula. So next member we add more carbon atom to remove 1 hydrogen, and we have to add a carbon. that one next member. In this way, we can represent total molecular formula 1, 2, 3 means C3H 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 C3H6. So we can further observe the difference between these first member and next member is only CH2 unit. Further, if we add more carbon, then its formula is C4H8, then C5H10. What are these? This is also a homologous series. Students, in this way we can explain what is a homologous series. Homologous series as that series can represent by a general chemical formula, have a characteristics functional group. We study the functional group later on. And then first member preceding and succeeding member differ by CH2 means 1 carbon 2 hydrogen. So like methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, hexane we earlier studied. All these compounds, one is a homologous series, and other homologous series is alkene series. C2H4 first member, C3H6, C4H8, C5H10. Next member you can write C6H12, C7H14. In this way we can write. Students, we can make one more unsaturated hydrocarbon, that is alkyne. Alkyne, what we have to do for making alkyne? Alkyne means at least we have to make a triple bond between 2 carbon atom. So again, how can make from triple bond? At first there is a double bond already we can make. For making triple bond, again we have to remove further 2 hydrogen to bonding the 2 carbon. So we remove 2 hydrogen. Why we remove 2 hydrogen? To make new bonds. So I try to make a triple bond also. In this way, students, we can represent triple bond at least need 2 carbon. At first we need 2 carbon because single carbon cannot make triple bond. 2 carbon needs, and then we write their valency, only 1 hydrogen, first member. This one is first member. So what we will change in this molecular formula? In general chemical formula, alkane, then alkene and alkyne. Alkyne general formula, how can we write? CnH2n minus 2. Minus 2 why? Alkane general formula CnH2n plus 2. Alkene general formula is CnH2n. Because 2 hydrogen we remove. After that alkyne general formula again we remove 2 further hydrogen, CnH2n minus 2. Where what is the n? N means number of carbon atom, and n start from second, from 2, 3, 4 like this. Because for making double or triple bond required at least 2 carbon atom. So this one is first carbon and its molecular formula is C2, 1O2, 1, 2, hydrogen, C2H2. So first compound. What IUPAC name of this compound, students? First we write 1 or 2. 2 carbon, their name is ETH, and then we write suffix "-ine", "-ine" as a suffix, so its name is ethyne. This gas common name is acetylene, and it is used for oxygen acetylene welding, in gas welding. This gas we use for welding purpose. This ethene, this gas is ethene. This used for ripening of fruits. Raw fruits, ripening of that, we use this gas ethene. Next member, how can we write? So for next member, what we have to do? We have to remove this hydrogen. Why? Why we remove? Because we want to increase its chain. So I add 1 carbon. So like this, you can get such type compound. In this, you can observe 3 carbon, C3, 1, 2, 3, and 4 hydrogen. 4, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 4. C3H4. Next member. So what name of this compound, students? How can we write? 1, 2, 3. 3 carbon, name is prop, and 1 is triple bond, then suffix "-ine", propyne. So next member, we can add 1 more CH2. It means C4H6. Then further we can write C5H8 because first member and second member differ only by CH2. So you write a 1 CH2 and then next member easily can identify. So this series is alkyne series. This one alkene series, and first one alkane series. So students, what is a homologous? What do you mean? Homologous series is a series that can represent by a general chemical formula, have a characteristics functional group. Functional group means this triple bond a functional group, double bond also a functional group, and normal hydrocarbon that there is no single bond, like only single bond, that are alkanes or saturated hydrocarbons. Now students, we explain by taking more example of others functional group compounds. Now students, we can summarize alkane, alkene and alkyne. You can clearly observe that one is general formula CnH2n plus 2 for alkane. Further, for making double bond, we have to remove 2 hydrogen. Then its general formula is CnH2n. And further, making one more bond, we have to remove again 2 hydrogen. Then its general formula CnH2n minus 2. Students, in your exam question comes, identify the following hydrocarbon, which type, saturated or unsaturated, alkene or alkyne, and then find what is the first member and then second member or next member. So alkane start from first member from 1 carbon from methane. Alkene first member start from 2 carbon C2H4 from ethene. Why? For making double bond, it's required at least 2 carbon, and triple bond also start from 2 carbon, then its formula is C2H2. You can write the value, then you can identify next homologous member. Easily we can again write C2H6, C3H8, C4H10, C5H12, and so on. You can identify. And alkane C3H6, C4H8, C5H10, C6H12 in this way. In a alkyne C2H2, C3H4, C4 H6, C5, H8, C6, H10. Every member, preceding and succeeding member only differ by CS2. Friends, in alkane and alkyne, when we compare, then every member you can see in tabular form. A first member and second member difference only CH2, 1 carbon and 2 hydrogen. Every member that is difference, 1 carbon, 2 hydrogen as a CH2 group. So what are the difference? Total mass of the difference means carbon we know 12 unified mass and hydrogen is 1. So 2 hydrogen mass is total 2. So overall 14 unified mass is difference. If it's one molecule of methane and ethane, what are the difference in their molecular mass? Only 14 U. And if we convert into molar mass, then it convert into 14 gram. Because in molar mass means Avogadro number we already studied in class 9th. What is molar? Mole concept. That is a fixed number, 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 number of molecule mass. That mass is molar mass. Then that time this mass difference is 14 gram. 14 gram to next member and other member difference. Now what main characteristics? So homologous series represented by general formula. Chemical property almost same. Physical property slightly different. Due to the reason to present a same functional group. So chemical property almost alkene have same, alkyne also same, alkane also same. Now we can add in this alkane, friends, another functional group. Like this, when a methane, I want to add in this oxygen atom. Oxygen. So how can I add oxygen? And this oxygen further attached by because oxygen valency 2 that attached by a hydrogen. So like this. This oxygen atom is known as heteroatom. If we add in carbon other than hydrogen means chlorine, bromine, fluorine, oxygen, nitrogen, that is a heteroatom. That decide the property. So students, what we have to change in this general formula? What we did? We remove one hydrogen and I add one oxygen here and one hydrogen. So if I change this formula, then I can write here in that general formula CnH2n plus 1. Because there is formula CnH2n plus 2, I remove one hydrogen and add one oxygen. So its general formula I can write like this. So such type compound known as alcohols. Alcohols. When one oxygen bonded with single bond and one hydrogen. So it can write first member. First member how can write? CH3OH. CH3OH. How can we write? Because first member is CH4. So I remove one hydrogen and add one OH. Then next member we have to remove any one hydrogen and add one more carbon. Then you can find like this. So 2 carbon, then its formula is CH3, CH3Y, 1, 2, 3, CH3, then next CH2OH. You can see CH3, CH2OH. Any side you can write like this. And this, if you write combined formula, sometimes it's written as combined form, then C2H5OH. C2H5OH. How? Because N is equal to 2, then C2, 2 into 2, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, C2H5OH. Next member, we can write C3H7OH. Why? Only you have to add CH2. Further, next member C4H9OH. So these are homologous first member, alcohol. Then this one second member, or you write in this way also, third member, fourth member. So this also a homologous series. In this year, your exam question comes on homologous series. Identify which one of the first member and next member, and these compounds decide the property. All property depend on this heteroatom. So all these are alcohol, slightly their melting boiling point is changed, but chemical property almost same. Explain more example of homologous series by solving question given in your NCERT book. Students, new functional group is aldehyde. Aldehyde, we already studied in your NCERT book at page number 66 given the different functional group: aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid and alcohol. So students, for aldehyde, how can we represent? For aldehyde, you have to write like this: double bond with oxygen and one hydrogen. Represent like this one. You can write in this way also. Means a carbon bonded with oxygen by double bond like this. We can explain like in this way. Carbon and one hydrogen. This one we can represent aldehyde, double bond with oxygen. So this again its property change and molecular formula also change. What we change in that molecular formula? We change in that general formula CnH2n plus 2. This one is general chemical formula for alkane. Alkane. And in this alkane, what we do? We remove 2 hydrogen and add 1 oxygen. Remove 2 hydrogen and add 1 oxygen. So its general formula we can write CnH2nO. We can write in this way for aldehyde. So first compound formula you can write if carbon is only 1, if N is equal to 1, then its formula we can write CH2O. This one is a molecular formula, but we represent this compound like H and H. Aldehyde another way represent by like this way, CHO. Friends, in your NCERT book, aldehyde represent like CHO and alcohol represent OH, slightly that different. So this first compound, next member, next homologous member, how can we make? we have to remove any one of the hydrogen and add 2 more carbon like this one. So we add only 2 carbon now, 2 carbon. So first one double bond and H, then you write CH3 or H3C, means 3 hydrogen. So this next member. And its molecular formula, you can write C2H4O. C2H4O means CnH2nO. Then next member, you can write 3 carbon, and first we write aldehyde like double bond with oxygen and 1 H. Then find their valency, 2 hydrogen, 3 hydrogen. So this way we can say first member, next member and other one. This one is aldehyde as a functional group. Students, how can we make another functional group, that is ketones? Ketone, for ketone, what we have to do? This one is a main functional group, C double bond O. For both sides, at least 1 carbon required. Both sides carbon. This one is ketone. Ketone represent like this, C double bond O, in this way. If you write one side hydrogen, then it's changed into aldehyde. So for ketone, we have to write at least both side 1 carbon. So for first member for ketone, you can write ketone in this way or in like that way. Means we can represent carbon, oxygen lower side also in this side. Means both sides must be attached. If you write hydrogen, then it's converted into aldehyde. So first member of ketone is, first member we can make like first ketone, or it at least required 3 carbon. For a first member, it's required 3 carbon. Then we write double bond O, CH3, 1, 2, 3, and other side also you write CH3. Ketone and aldehyde general formula is same, means we can write CnH2nO. Where is N? N is equal to, in this compound, at least 3. Then C3H6O, first member. And its IUPAC name we write later on, because ketone a suffix we add on, and aldehyde we add L after that. So next member you have to write 1 more carbon, then further carbon. So in this way, students, you can make more compound, 4 carbon, and any 1 carbon you write double bond. Then this one, next homologous. Next homologous, complete its valency, CH2, then CH3. So what difference in these two formula? Only difference by CH2. So homologous series, preceding and succeeding member differ by CH2. They can represent by a general chemical formula, a characteristics functional group. Their chemical property almost same, physical property slightly increase, melting and boiling point increase or decrease depend on the molecular mass of the compound. So in this way you can make any compound homologous series. Now we explain another functional group, that is carboxylic acid. Students, carboxylic acid, how can we make? Carboxylic acid. For carboxylic acid, what we have to do? C double bond, we have to make one OH. One more oxygen, means in carboxylic acid one double bond with oxygen and other one OH. Like that one. Means C double bond O and one OH. Single bond. Both alcohol group and carbonyl. Other name is in ketone this group and aldehyde this group. A special name, that name is carbonyl. Carbonyl. You will study in 11th class its name. Carbonyl means this group, CO group, is known as carbonyl and it's found in aldehyde and ketone both. In another compound, that is carboxylic acid, having both carbonyl and alcohol, means hydroxyl group. First member we can write here H only. We can write H. Next functional group is carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid. In this functional group, students, one carbon attached with double bond oxygen, other attached with single bond and OH. In this way we can make this bond like this. One carbon, CO and OH. Other sides we can write hydrogen or carbon. So first member is, we can write here H. And this compound generally written in book like this, HCOOH. In some books it can written also like this, HCO2H also it can written, but mostly written like this or in this way, that is more correct method. So first member, students. Next member, what we have to do? In place of hydrogen we add one more carbon. So by adding one carbon, next homologous we can achieve, and that in your syllabus, 2 carbon, COOH, then you write 3 hydrogen like this. This common name, this compound is acetic acid. Acetic acid. Vinegar like smell, and IUPAC name we will study after that, and its molecular formula also written in book like this. CS3 you can write as 3C or CS3, no problem, both side. Then COOH, CS3 COOH. This acid known as formic acid, common name formic acid, found in red ant. So its name known as ant, Indica formica, red ant. When bee sting comes, then that acid, and in this way you can make more compounds. So students, you study in your book given, you have to find any first member, next member. So this one is first, then next you write one more CH2. Proceeding and succeeding member differ only CH2, mass number differ by 14U, that can represent by a general chemical formula and have a same functional group. So that have a characteristics property known as homologous series. And any question in this year totally focus on homologous series, because CBSE reduce nomenclature of organic compound, soap and detergents. So almost your chapter is finished, but tomorrow we will discuss about nomenclature of organic compound. So read thoroughly, given the rules of nomenclature in your NCERT book. We will explain in 1 or 2 video that detailed nomenclature. If you have any problem, then write in comment box, like and subscribe, share the needy student. Thank you. Have a nice day.